Hi, boys and girls. So for this activity, you guys are going to, here's the directions. It says you will need to find a partner, and then once you have your partner, you're going to take turns picking a card. These are the cards. So you'll have a stack. There's 8 cards total. Once you pick your card, so say Miss Farrell and Miss Pangburn are playing. Miss Pangburn picks a card, and I picked this one. So the first thing I need to do is I'm going to tell my partners, I'm going to tell Miss Farrell, one way the pictures are the same and one way they are different. See, it also says here, compare brushing your teeth and your hair to how they are the same. So I would look at the pictures and I would tell how brushing your teeth and brushing your hair are the same. And then I would also contrast brushing your teeth and brushing your hair. I would tell how they're different. Compare means the same, contrast means different. So that's what I need to do. I'm going to say, Miss Farrell, well, brushing your teeth and brushing your hair are the same because, and then I would say, brushing your teeth and brushing your hair are different because, so I'm comparing and contrasting. Then I would hold on to my card and Miss Farrell would pick a card and she would go next. And we would keep doing that until each of us have done it 4 times because there's 8 cards, 2 partners. So I know 4 plus 4 is 8, so we're each going to have 4. And then last, once you each have 4 cards, you're going to pick your favorite card and you're going to seesaw your teacher. And each person should tell the similarity and difference from their card. So for example, Miss Pangburn decided, I'm going to pick this card. So then I'm going to go onto my seesaw. I could take a picture of the card, or I could just hold it up and do a video, or I could just do a recording. And I would say, hi teacher, I did this card here, and I decided that when you compare the things that are the same about brushing your teeth are this, and the things that are different about brushing your teeth and your hair are this. Thanks, bye. It shouldn't be more than a minute, or less even. And then Miss Farrell will do the same. Miss Farrell happened to have this card, so she sends her teacher a picture of this card, and she tells her, hi teacher, painting a picture and decorating cookies are the same because, and they're different because, okay? So then you both are going to do that on your own seesaws when you're done. And then you're going to take all the cards and the directions, you're going to put them back in the bag or however you got them so they're in one piece. So that way when the next person wants to use this activity, they can do so without a problem. Okay, listen to these directions again if you need more help. Don't forget to seesaw your teacher and don't forget to clean up.